Dear learners, today we are going to see new topic and the topic is anti-amoebic drugs. The learning outcome of today's presentation are: after viewing this presentation, the learner will be able to define anti-amoebic agent, classify anti-amoebic agent, and he will be also able to outline the different pharmaceutical organic compound which can be used as anti-amoebic agents. The content of this presentation is introduction to anti-amoebic drugs, then classification of anti-amoebic drugs, and the drugs that will be covered in this presentation are imitin, metronidazole, iodoquinol, deoxynitride furan and paramomycin. Before moving on to our main topic, let's see where these anti-amoebic agents are actually used. So, these anti-amoebic agents are usually used to treat amoebiasis. Now, my question is that what is amoebiasis? How is it caused? Yes, the amoebiasis, it is an protozoal infection which is mainly caused by the causative agent Entamoeba histolytica. This species of ammonia, mainly when enters into the human body, it causes the symptoms like diarrhea, vomiting, dysentery, etc. So, to treat this disease, anti-amoebic agents are used. Amoebiasis disease, it is mainly caused due to the poor hygienic conditions and it is transmitted by fecal oral route. So, as it is a common type of infection, to get rid of this infection, anti-amoebic agents are to be used. So, definition of anti-amoebic agents: the agents or the drugs which are used to treat amoebiasis are called as anti-amoebic agents. These agents are classified as follows: first class alkaloids, example is imitin and dihydroimitin. Second class is amauroids, example is quasine. Third class is antibiotics, example is paramomycin. Fourth class, it is quinoline derivatives. Quinoline derivatives are further subcategorized as halogenated hydroxyquinolones and aminoquinolines. Example of halogenated hydroxyquinolines is iodoquinol and example of aminoquinoline is chloroquine. Next class is heterocyclic compounds. In that subclass is furan derivatives and imidazole derivatives, and examples are deoxynitride and metronidazole respectively. So let's study the examples in detail. So first example which will be studied is imitin. So imitin, it is an alkaloid which is obtained from the ipecacuanha. Seeing its physical properties, imitin, it is a white or slight yellow crystalline powder which is odorless and has a bitter taste. It is soluble in water and alcohol. Storage condition for imitin is it should be stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Uses: imitin, it is used as tissue amoebicide because it kills the amoeba. Second use, imitin can be used in treatment of amoebic dysentery, hepatitis, amoebic infection of lungs, brain and other tissues. The official preparations of imetine are imetine hydrochloride IP and imetine injection IP. Imetine is known by the brand names as Himomatina and Imetina chlorodrato. Second example is metronidazole. Metronidazole, it is a white or creamy white crystalline powder which has slight odor and it is somewhat bitter and saline in taste. Solubility. Metronidazole, it is slightly soluble in water and soluble in alcohol. Metronidazole is also to be stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Metronidazole, it is used to treat giardiasis, amoebic dysentery, amoebic hepatitis, liver abscess. Then it can be also used to treat brain abscess, pneumonia, post-operative wound infection and Wilson disease. The different official preparations of metronidazole are metronidazole IP, metronidazole tablet IP and metronidazole injection IP. The brand names are Flagyl and Metro. Now the upcoming example is iodoquinol. Iodoquinol, it is a pale yellowish or yellowish brown microcrystalline powder. It is odorless and tasteless. It is slightly soluble in water and alcohol. Iodoquinol is usually stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Iodoquinol, it is used to treat amoebic dysentery, asymptomatic cyst passer. Topically, iodoquinol is also used to treat various skin conditions like acute dermatitis. Brand names by which iodoquinol is known in market are Iquinol, Iodoxine and Diadoquin. Now the next example is diloxanide furet. Diloxanide furet, it is a white crystalline powder which is odorless and tasteless. It is very slightly soluble in water and freely soluble in chloroform. It is stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Uses: diloxanide furet, it is used in treatment of amoebic dysentery, symptomatic cyst passer and hepatic abscesses in conjugation with chloroquine or metronidazole. The official preparations of diloxanide are diloxanide furet IP and diloxanide furet tablet IP. Brand names: diloxanide furet is known by the brand names as Metron DF tablet and Aldazole DF tablet. Now the last example is paramomycin. Paramomycin, it is a cream white yellow powder which is odorless. It is very soluble in water and practically insoluble in alcohol and chloroform. Paramomycin, it is stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Uses: paramomycin has an antibacterial activity. It is used to suppress the bacterial flora and to manage the hepatic coma. It is used in treatment of intestinal amoebiasis. It is also used to treat balantidiasis. It is also used to treat anthelmintic infection, as it has antihelmintic property. Brand names for paramomycin are Humatin and paramomycin sulfate. Thank you.